Hello students, as you know, we are studying the chapter Discovering Truth. The saga continues. I am going to tell you something more about Truth. And in last video when I told that anatomy professor told after seeing the x-ray that breastbone and front ribs are missing. So everyone was surprised. And as you know, today diagnostic imaging can be done with computed tomography or CT. Okay, CT scan is very common nowadays, by which hundreds of X-rays in cross section are put together like slices of bread. Okay, to create a three-dimensional virtual body. Okay, in CT scan there become so many pictures in different directions, so every minor things also can be investigated through these CT scans. So later, because the technology, medical technology was advanced, so the body was given for CT scan. And so many pictures, hundreds of pictures could be get. What more would a CT scan reveal to tooth than the X-ray? एक्सरे से ज़्यादा सिटी स्कैन ने क्या बताया था टूथ के बारे में एंड कुड इट आंसर टू ऑफ द बिगेस्ट क्वेश्चन स्टिल लिंगरिंग अबाउट हिम इफ दैट सिटी स्कैन could tell the two most difficult questions about it, the answer of two most biggest questions which were still after tooth, and these questions were: how did he die and how old was he at the time of his death? These were the questions, and narrator wants to know if this CT scan could answer these two questions. King Tut demise was a big event, even by royal standard. Okay, it was a great incident. Tut's death was a great incident, even by royal standards also, in royal family also, because he was the last of his family line. Okay, because he was so young, that's why he was not having his own sons, and that's why he was the last of his family line, and his funeral was the death rattle of dynasty. और जो उसका मरना था बेटे, वो एक साम्राज्य की मीन्स पूरा एम्पायर वॉज डेड मीन्स टू से, but the particular of passing away and its aftermath are unclear. But how he died and what happened later after his death, the results are unclear. Means people don't know too much about that. Now there are some stories, facts we can say, about their empire who ruled over there later. But these are the forefathers. Okay, the stories after Tut are not clear. Sorry, but before Tut, his forefather, how they ruled, it is described here. So Amenhotep III, he was Tut's father or grandfather, it's not clear. He was a powerful pharaoh, and he ruled for almost 4 decades at the height of the 18th dynasty's golden age. Okay, Amenhotep III, he was a powerful king, and he ruled over for 4 decades. Okay, 40 means 40 years. 4 decade means 40 years, and that time it was the golden age for this dynasty. Okay, it was the height of 18th dynasty's golden age. Means that time they were very much powerful. His son Amenhotep IV succeeded him. Okay, after his death, his son Amenhotep IV he took over the throne and initiated one of the strangest period of the history. And that time he initiated, and whenever he ruled, it was the strangest period in the history. Okay, Amenhotep III in ancient Egypt. The new pharaoh promoted the worship of the Aten. जो बेटे न्यू किंग हुआ था, he worshipped, okay, he promoted the worship of the Aten. Aten, I'll tell you, the sun disk. Sun जो था, sun god, he promoted for the worship of sun disk. And he himself changed his name also from Amenhotep IV to Akhenaten. Okay, Akhenaten. And the meaning of Akhenaten is servant of Aten. Aten, you know, sun god, sun disk. And moved to the religious capital from old city to Thebes to the new city of Akhenaten. Earlier their capital was old city of Thebes, but now he moved away to a new city of Akhenaten. ठीक है, the name of the city was Akhenaten, and name of the ruler was he changed was Akhenaten. Then now this place, this city Akhenaten is known as Amarna in Egypt. Understand? बेटे वो जो अमनहोटेप IV था, तो उसने क्या किया था बेटे, अपना नेम चेंज करके अखेनातेन कर लिया, जिसका मतलब होता है सर्वेंट ऑफ अतेन. एंड ही प्रमोटेड फॉर द वर्शिप ऑफ अतेन और सन डिस्क. And after that, from their old capital city, he moved to a new capital city, and the name of the city was Akhenaten. And now it is known as, in present days, it is known as Amarna in Egypt. He further shocked the country by attacking Aman, the major god. Okay, as you know, he was doing surprising things. One more surprising things he did. He shocked his country by attacking Aman. Aman was their major god. All people used to worship them, and he smashed all his images and closed all temples. Okay, he smashed images of Aman, their god, and closed all temples related to Aman. And this was horrible time for the public. Okay, nobody can force someone to worship as the ruler wants. So it was the very difficult and horrible time for the people of Egypt, said Ray Johnson, the director of the University of Chicago Research Center in Luxor. Okay, there is a historian, and his name is Ray Johnson. He is director of the University of Chicago Research Center in Luxor. He told this, that time was horrible. The site of ancient Thebes, the family that had ruled for centuries, was coming to an end. And then Akhenaten bent a little backy. Okay, because people were against him. All the people were against him. So the family which ruled over for centuries, now it was the end of that family's rulership. And in these conditions, Akhenaten, he had become some mad, कुछ पागल सा हो गया था बेटे, सनकी सा. After Akhenaten's death, a mysterious ruler named Samen Khakre appeared briefly and excited with hardly a trace. After Akhenaten's death, there came one mysterious ruler also, and his name was Samen Khakre. He came for short period of time and he left hardly a trace. Means he had not done anything that could be remembered. And then a very young Tutankhaten. Okay, after that Tut took the throne. His full name was Tutankhaten. Understand the name Tutankhaten. King Tut as he is widely known today. And today people know him as King Tut. The boy king soon changed his name to Tutankhamun. Earlier his name was Tutankhaten, but very soon he also changed his name and he changed it as Tutankhamun. And the meaning of this name is living image of Aman, the overshow of restoration of the old ways. उसने बेटे क्या किया, बहुत ज़्यादा दिखावा किया कि लोग जो पुरानी परंपराएं जो अमेन होटेप फोर्थ ने जो चेंज कर दी थी, ही रीस्टोर्ड ऑल दीज ओल्ड कस्टम्स. ओके, एंड ही चेंज हिज नेम ऑल्सो बिकॉज वहाँ पर अमन गॉड की पूजा करते थे, तो ही चेंज हिज नेम तूतनखामन. इट मीन्स ही इज़ लिविंग इमेज ऑफ अमन. ही इज़ रीस्टोरिंग ऑल द olden customs, and he overshot for the restoration of old ways. He reigned for about 9 years and then died unexpectedly. As you know, he died in his teenage, so he ruled over a period of 9 years and unexpectedly he was died. And then after his death,